Hey everyone, Mymy Tran here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a laid-back vlog style type of video. I'm going to take you along with me for the entire day and share with you what I eat on the ketogenic diet. If you are not familiar with the ketogenic diet is, it's basically a diet where you consume a very high amount of fat, moderate protein, and low carbs so that your body can use fat as fuel rather than using carbohydrates. Disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist nor am I a doctor. I just want to share with you my experience on the ketogenic diet. Take everything that I say in my video with a grain of salt and do your own research. Ask your doctor before trying this diet out and to see if it suits you and your lifestyle. So if you like to see what I eat a day on the ketogenic diet to lose weight, then please continue watching. Most of the time I always have leftover coffee, and what I do is just store it in the refrigerator, and the next day I just make myself iced coffee because we do not waste any coffee here, and I actually prefer iced coffee anyway, so I'm definitely going to look forward to this tomorrow morning. Miles is playing in the background right now. Hopefully it's not too distracting. Anyway, I'm having my actual breakfast right now. I am going to just make an egg omelet. Really simple. I like to add half a cup of egg whites. I buy these at Costco. They're just a lot easier. I add 1 egg. Oops, I forgot to heat up my pan. And whisk it up. But I like mixing the two because I get the protein from the egg whites, and the egg yolks has good cholesterol and adds a little bit more flavor. You know what I'm saying? And this is what really helps me to stay on track, is that whenever I go grocery shopping, as soon as I get home, I pre-chop everything. So that way I don't get lazy eating my vegetables, because that happens a lot. So here I have green bell peppers. So I season my eggs with Himalayan pink salt and pepper. So this is my breakfast. I have scrambled eggs. I added a little bit of green bell peppers, green onions, a whole avocado, 2 slices of bacon, and on top I added this green dragon hot sauce from Trader Joe's. If you have not tried this, you must. It is so good on everything. I drench my food in that. When I was younger, I think it was my cousin who told me when the end of your necklace is in the front like that, it means someone is thinking of you, but I don't really know how true that is. Earlier this morning I actually stopped by Target to pick up some more tampons, and I picked up these tampons. I thought I'd give them a try. I've never tried this brand before, and honestly what got me is this packaging. As you guys can see, I love my palm trees. So normally I am a pads girl. I don't know if that's TMI, but I don't know, recently I've been kind of into tampons, wearing tampons. I don't know what it is. I think this brand is called This Is L. I'm not sure. Now the whole world knows that I am on my period right now. Hello, I am back and I'm just having some sauteed spinach and shrimp. Super simple, easy, and filling. And I'm also having water, lemon, and some chia seeds. This combo is so simple, and it's also a quick way to get in your fat because chia seeds, it is packed with healthy fats. If you have not had chia seeds before, basically once it's mixed in with liquid, the seed kind of sprouts a little bit and becomes this gelatinous texture. To me, I don't think it tastes like anything, and I'm gonna shake it, let it settle for a little bit. I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and I'm gonna squeeze this lemon on top of my shrimp and spinach. And I'm going to just dig in. Again, this meal is so simple but so flavor packed and delicious. I don't eat shrimp all the time because prepping it takes a lot of work, honestly. I mean, you can buy shrimp deveined and deshelled, but most of the time it's a little bit more expensive. So Miles is napping right now, so I am going to have my dinner a little bit early, and I'm having one of my favorites, which is steak and broccoli. I don't know if I mentioned, but I seasoned it with just salt, pepper, and a little bit of dry rosemary. I love the flavor of rosemary with steak. So that is it for what I eat in a day on a ketogenic diet to lose weight. Today was kind of extensive only because I went grocery shopping, and so that's why I'm like eating shrimp and steak and stuff like that. But honestly, I would say 2 weeks out of a whole month, I'm like eating on a very low budget, lazy keto style. So if you like to see more of a lazy keto, what I eat in a day for weight loss, then let me know, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, join the Tran clan. Again, my name is Mymy Tran. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.